Your lungs are vital organs responsible for breathing in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. They are also responsible for protecting your body from harmful pollutants and toxins that can enter your body through the air you breathe. Over time, due to pollution, smoking, and other environmental factors, your lungs can become filled with harmful toxins that can lead to respiratory issues and other health problems. In this video, we will explore in-depth ways to purify and detox your lungs for a healthier lifestyle. 1. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the most significant contributors to lung damage and respiratory issues. Cigarette smoke contains thousands of chemicals, including carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and benzene, which can damage the delicate tissue of your lungs. Smoking also reduces the function of the cilia, tiny hair-like structures in your airways that are responsible for sweeping away mucus and other particles that can cause lung infections. When you quit smoking, your cilia begin to regenerate, and your lung function improves. 2. Exercise. Exercise is another effective way to purify and detox your lungs. Physical activity helps to increase blood circulation and oxygen levels in the body, which can improve lung function. It also helps to flush out toxins and pollutants from your lungs by increasing your respiratory rate, causing you to breathe more deeply and helping to remove toxins from your lungs. Regular exercise can also help to reduce your risk of respiratory issues, such as chronic bronchitis and emphysema. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for healthy lungs. When you are dehydrated, your lungs can become dry and irritated, making it harder for them to function properly. Drinking water helps keep your lungs hydrated, which can help reduce inflammation and improve lung function. It can also help to thin out mucus in your airways, making it easier to clear any buildup and reducing your risk of lung infections. 4. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables can also help to purify and detox your lungs. Fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants, which can help to protect your lungs from harmful pollutants and toxins. They also contain vitamins and minerals that can help to improve lung function. Eating a diet that is high in fiber can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to improve lung function. 5. Avoid polluted areas. Polluted areas can be harmful to your lungs. If possible, avoid areas with high levels of pollution, such as busy highways or industrial areas. When you are exposed to pollution, you are exposed to a variety of harmful chemicals and particles that can damage your lungs. Over time, this can lead to respiratory issues, such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. If you must be in a polluted area, wear a mask to help filter out harmful pollutants. 6. Use a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your home can also help to keep your lungs hydrated and reduce inflammation. Dry air can irritate your lungs, making it harder for them to function properly. A humidifier can also help to reduce the symptoms of respiratory issues, such as coughing and congestion. When you use a humidifier, it adds moisture to the air, which can help to soothe irritated airways and make it easier for you to breathe. 7. Practice breathing exercises. Breathing exercises can help to improve lung function and reduce stress. Deep breathing exercises, for example, help to expand your lungs and improve oxygen flow, which can help to flush out toxins and pollutants. Other breathing exercises, such as diaphragmatic breathing, help to strengthen the muscles used in breathing and can improve lung capacity. These exercises can also help to reduce stress, which can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Use essential oils. Essential oils can be used to help purify and detox your lungs. Certain essential oils, such as eucalyptus and peppermint, contain compounds that can help to open up your airways and improve lung function. You can add a few drops of essential oils to a diffuser or a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam to help clear your airways and improve your breathing. 9. Practice good posture. Good posture is important for healthy lungs. When you slouch or hunch over, it can put pressure on your chest and restrict your breathing. Poor posture can also lead to shallow breathing, which can prevent your lungs from getting enough oxygen. By practicing good posture, you can help to expand your lungs and improve oxygen flow, which can help to detox and purify your lungs. 10. Get regular checkups. Regular checkups with your doctor can help to monitor your lung function and identify any potential issues early on. This is particularly important if you are a smoker or have a history of respiratory issues in your family. Your doctor may recommend lung function tests, such as spirometry, to assess your lung function and identify any potential issues. Early detection can help to prevent further damage to your lungs and improve your overall lung health. In conclusion, there are many ways to purify and detox your lungs for a healthier lifestyle. By quitting smoking, exercising, staying hydrated, eating a healthy diet, avoiding polluted areas, using a humidifier, practicing breathing exercises, using essential oils, practicing good posture, and getting regular checkups, you can help to improve your lung function and reduce your risk of respiratory issues. Remember to always consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise or health regimen. With these tips, you can enjoy healthier lungs and better overall health. Thank you for watching our video on how to purify and detox your lungs. We hope you found these tips helpful in improving your lung health and overall well-being. Remember, your lungs are a vital part of your body, and taking care of them is essential for a healthy and happy life. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can help to keep your lungs clean, healthy, and functioning at their best. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information on living a healthy lifestyle.